Materials kitchen. Today we are going to cook Afan soup today. I'm sure you like Afan soup. And to cook Afan soup, there are a lot of things involved in cooking our Afan soup, preparing Afan soup. We have our water leaf here. Okay, if you move further, we have the periwinkle, and the periwinkle must be washed. And we have our meat, we have fish, and then we have Afan. The Afan is the crayfish blended together with it. And very important thing is your kitchen has to be kept clean before you start your cooking, because it's a cooking and eating environment, so you have to keep your kitchen very clean before you start the cooking. Alright, so of course the water leaf is washed, so wash your water leaf. It's time for us to slide the water leaf right now. Because we don't steam our meat with water, we have to use the water leaf. And water leaf after you steam your meat and other things. So this is how we go about it. It's still the husband materials kitchen. Alright, so we are moving. More cube, you just use 2 of it for the cooking. Right, so let me just check out this thing, how it is like. Let me ask you, what kind of husband material are you looking at for? The cooking one, the slapping one? No, we have every one of them here, but I can assure you that kind of husband material I am. The Bachelor's Kitchen. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. Thank you very much. See you next week as we come with more different delicacies that will really make you feel good.